fifth demonstration, we are going to see how we can read cell formula. So in case we have a cell which is having or applying a certain formula, and I don't want to copy, or I don't want to read the value, I want to read the original formula. So we will see how we can do that in this demonstration. In this demonstration, I need three activities. We need Excel application scope, we need read cell format, and we need message box. Let us see what is the benefit of read cell formula. Read cell formula is going to read the formula in the cell instead of the value. So what is required? It's required to provide the sheet name and also the range. After that, I need to save this formula into a certain variable so that I can display it using a message box. So it is going to get the formula and it need to save it into a certain variable so that we can save it temporary. And for me to see, for me to actually view and display this formula, I need to use message box. So I will provide this variable to the message box so that message box can display it. Let us start the demonstration part, the practical part, to explain it.